In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Datadog alerts. We'll walk through creating a reliable metric monitor from start to finish so your team is notified quickly and accurately when something needs attention. Start by heading to Datadog. Once you're in the app, the left-hand navigation is your guide. Open the monitoring section. This is where all your monitors live, and it's the central place to create, organize, and manage alerts across your services and infrastructure. Choose New Monitor to begin. You'll see several monitor types. Select Metric. Metric monitors are perfect when you want to keep an eye on numeric time series like latency, error rates, CPU usage, or custom business KPIs. Next, pick the detection method that best fits your signal. A static threshold works when you know a clear limit, like error rate above a percentage. Anomaly or outlier detection helps when your data is seasonal or noisy and you want Datadog to adapt to normal patterns. Forecasting can warn you before a trend crosses a boundary. Choose the approach that mirrors how your team thinks about healthy versus unhealthy behavior. Now define the metric. Search for the metric name and build your query. Scope it with tags to target exactly what matters, such as environment, service, region, or team. Choose aggregations that align with your objective. For example, average latency, P95, sum of errors, or max CPU. Keep the scope focused so the monitor stays actionable and doesn't mix unrelated sources. Set the alert conditions. Establish critical and, if useful, warning thresholds. Tune the evaluation window and number of data points required so brief spikes don't create noise, but real issues aren't delayed. Decide how to treat missing data. Ignore it if gaps are expected, or alert on no data if absence itself is a problem. Consider re-notification to remind responders if a long outage persists. Configure notifications and automations. Write a clear, concise title and message that explains impact, probable root cause hints, and next steps. Include helpful context like links to dashboards, runbooks, and relevant tags. Route alerts to the right channels, chat, on-call systems, or tickets. And if you use runbooks or remediation tools, attach automations to speed up response. Finally, define permissions and audit notifications. Limit who can edit or mute the monitor to prevent accidental changes, and enable audit updates so a designated channel gets notified when settings are modified. This preserves accountability and makes troubleshooting alert behavior much easier. With these pieces in place, you've built a Datadog alert that's precise, contextual, and resilient to noise, ready to keep your team informed and your systems healthy.